SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a tactic businesses use to identify their strengths and weaknesses as well as the opportunities and threats apparent in the industry. SWOT is stand for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. SWOT diagram typically contains 4 boxes. Now, to conduct a SWOT analysis for your business, here are the key questions that you need to ask to yourself. Number 1. Strengths. Answering the below questions can help you determine your strengths. What are you best known for? How effectively do you use resources? How fast do you deliver products? Which of your products was the most successful? What are the resources that are exclusive only to you? Are your investors happy? What are your unique selling proportions? Do you have a loyal customer base? Is your revenue predictable? Number 2. Weaknesses. Some questions you can answer to list down your weaknesses accurately. What do your customers often complain about? What are the financial resources you lack? What is your human resource you lack? Do you have enough technical expertise? Are your products not innovative enough? Are your expenses too high? Number 3. Opportunities. To identify opportunities, you can start by asking the following questions. What are the current market trends that can increase your sales? Which new government policies and regulations can benefit you? Which upcoming events or festivals can you capitalize on? Which recent technological changes can prove to be beneficial? What are the social and lifestyle changes that you can capitalize on? Number 4. Threats. Asking the below questions can help you get started. What are the obstacles you are facing in the market? What are your competitors doing better than you? Does your industry have an easy entry for new competitors? Will raw materials costs and labor charges rise in the near future? Will advancements in technology impact you negatively? What are the market trends that can become threats? What are the social and lifestyle changes that can harm you? Benefits of SWOT analysis. Understand your business better. Address weaknesses. Deter threat. Capitalize on opportunities. Take advantage of your strengths. Develop business goals and strategies for achieving them. Also, you can visit Upmetrics to get 200+ free business plan templates with step-by-step guide on writing a perfect business plan.